Sparky Sparks here. Today I'm going to share 3 wigs with you. One from Jon Renau, one from Envy, and one from BelleTress. So let's get into it. This is January and the color is shaded peach. So pretty, right? Let me show you the back. She just has great little curls, nice little short number for summer, great off the shoulder. Just love this style. She's really wavy. We don't need to straighten her. Let me show you the hairline. This has free parting space all the way from temple to temple. And this is the hairline. Just gorgeous. So pretty. Let's check out the next wig. This is Belinda by Envy. And this wig is so pretty. It's in saffron spice. Such a pretty color. Let's look at the whole view here. She is pretty straight, very fine or low density. So if you have fine hair, this is probably going to resemble your natural hair the most. Let's look at the hairline. Now I have taken a little bit of hair gel and tacked this down. Because it's a darker color wig, I found that the lace just shows a little bit on me. So I used a little bit of hair gel here. This has a designated parting space right here on the left side. So if you are a right side parting girly, this would not be a favorable wig probably for you. It's very low density though. I think it really resembles my hair the most. So again, this is Belinda by Envy. Just a really pretty wig. Let's see what's next. This is by BelleTress. This is from their Luxe collection, and ladies, this is luxurious. Oh my goodness. This is a fully hand-tied cap. The parting space and the lace goes all the way from ear tab to ear tab. Just gorgeous. Look at this hairline. Absolutely stunning. Now this has a little more density than the last wig that I put on because it just has a little more weight to it. Just so pretty, so luxurious. This is just stunning. This is pumpkin pie spice, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. They call her Celine. She's heat friendly. Let me turn around so you can see the whole view here. Just so pretty. I love the reds. This is really a deep, not deep red, kind of a, well, pumpkin pie spice red. I'm in front of a big window. This style is just stunning, gorgeous. I can do the hair flip, no problem. Just really pretty. This is kind of where she naturally wanted to part. And of the 3 wigs we've talked about today, this is probably the most luxurious of the 3. This has, again, a fully hand-tied top, all this free parting space, silicone ear tabs, so I can pull my hair back here, and you can see a little bit here if I hold it down. This just is so pretty. Again, this is from BelleTress and their Luxe collection. Just gorgeous. I'd love to know which one is your favorite.